And good afternoon, everybody. This is video Miletti with Miletti Law, the strongest name in law. Alright, this is one of those little Q&A videos, a short one. Haven't done these in a while, but I need to take a walk because getting stuff in that office. So, one, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Two, make sure you subscribe to the newsletter. Three, subscribe. Alright, quickie, short video. Question came in recently, and this actually varies between states. But, you know, one of the questions comes in, an attorney sends a letter and demands a document request, right? So what do you do in a situation when an attorney sends a letter in and demands a document request? You know, obviously it depends on who's asking. In this particular context, it was an employee, and it was in a state that there aren't state requirements. So, for instance, in California, if an employee has an attorney that sends a demand letter requesting records, the employer has to provide records. It's in state law. I believe it's the IWC, the Industrial Work Order, and the CLC, the California Labor Code. So it depends on the state. Some place like Florida, there's no such requirement. Some place like New York, there's no such requirement. So, you know, there's no statute on the books in New York that says that some random attorney could request personnel files of employees. Nor can in Florida, let's say, there's no state law that says they're allowed to request personnel files or whatever it is, wage records or anything. So you might have in your handbook some requirements for employers with employees or former employees. So your handbook might create some requirements, but generally generally when it comes to requesting employee personnel records or former employee personnel records and wage statements, that's going to be a state-by-state analysis. It's going to depend on the state. California, yes, you're required by state. New York, Florida, no, you're not required by state. But the second layer of that is also your handbook. If your handbook says you're going to permit them, or says, you know, the employee's allowed to maybe come in or whatever the case is, that's going to be good enough to permit the employee to get access to the records through a letter from an attorney. So that's your quick Q&A for today. Has to do with requesting personal records. Of course, if you have any questions, let us know. If someone sends you records, we'll be sure to slap them down. Reach out to the firm and leave questions in the comments below if anything. Have a good day.